Hello everyone. This video will show you how to take backup your Gmail email using Gmail Backup tool. You should use kernel Gmail backup software with all the features to fulfill the user's need. It provides various filters and options to choose the critical part of the mailbox. First, download and install kernel Gmail backup tool on your computer. On the home screen of the software, click the Add button. In the server name field, type imap.gmail.com. Then input your Gmail account's email address and password. Click Add. The software will check and add the Gmail account for backup. Click Set Filter and Migrate button. On the filter selection page, you can use the checkbox to select the email folders. Later, apply other filters also. Then, click I'm OK, start migration. Choose the best suited output file format to save emails and attachments. Browse the folder to save the destination file. Click OK. All the content from your Gmail is saved in a new file. You can check the emails and attachments in the output file. Click OK after a message appears informing that the process is complete.